Welcome to SipSci. You're looking into the science behind some of your favorite drinks. With the holidays right around the corner, the season's most famous drink is about to return to kitchens across the world. That's right, we're talking nog. Eggnog and its predecessors have been enjoyed throughout history. It started out as a drink for aristocrats who could afford the expensive ingredients. But by the time the recipe finally made its way to colonial America, it became very popular thanks to the widespread availability of eggs, milk, and cheap Caribbean rum. What does it take to make presidential eggnog, you ask? Well, George's recipe calls for 1 quart cream, 1 quart milk, 1 dozen tablespoons of sugar, an unspecified amount of eggs, but a dozen will probably do, 1 pint brandy, a half pint rye whiskey, a half pint Jamaican rum, and a 1/4 pint sherry. One of the final steps in his recipe is to let the mixture sit in a cool place for several days. Today we just throw it in the fridge. Aging can help create a significantly better flavor, but that's not the only benefit. Although they may not have known it at the time, this process also makes the mixture safer to consume. A small percentage of eggs, 1 in 20,000, can contain salmonella, which causes food poisoning. Anytime you consume raw eggs, you run the risk of getting sick. Luckily for us, alcohol kills bacteria. A 2010 study at Rockefeller University found that in refrigerated eggnogs with a concentration of about 20% alcohol, dangerous salmonella bacteria disappeared within a few weeks. So if stored and aged properly, alcohol can help make your boozy eggnog as safe to drink as it is tasty. That's good news for all the adult drinkers, but what about consumers of non-alcoholic nogs? Well, you can pasteurize eggs or gently heat the mixture without boiling to kill off those nasty bacteria, or you can go for egg-free varieties that offer the same holiday taste you're craving without the risk of food poisoning. There are also plenty of dairy-free eggnogs on the market, which are made using flavor substitutes and other ingredients like coconut, soy, or almond milks. Eggnog flavored creamers, powders, and syrups can also make a great addition to everything from coffee to milkshakes. However you choose to enjoy your eggnog, this tasty beverage makes a wonderful treat for any holiday celebration. See you on the next SipSci. Check out more of our SipSci series by hitting subscribe. Learn more about the latest beverage trends by visiting flavorman.com and following us on social media.